going to talk about the ways that reading specialists can collaborate with other teachers to benefit English language learners. One of the ways they can collaborate would be to have the students divide into two groups and have two teachers in the classroom teaching the same content. Now, one of those teachers would be the reading specialist, so you'd have a reading specialist and a regular teacher teaching the same content. So this would benefit the students because you would divide them into two groups. So instead of 20 students in the class, you would have 10 students in each group. So they would get more attention from the teacher, and they may also feel more comfortable answering questions and participating because it's a smaller group. So if the skill was blending sounds together and focusing on phonemic awareness, the reading specialist could work with one group of students, and they could be using magnetic letters on the board to form words and sound them out. And then the teacher can also be at a back table and work with students with stamp letters on construction paper, and they could put those together and blend the sounds together to form words. So that's how the teachers can work together, teaching the same content, it's the same skill, but they're just doing it a little differently, and they're teaching based on the students' needs. So they're able to differentiate instruction that way. Now, another way that they can break the students up is you can have two groups, but you can have one teacher reteaching content to students maybe did not get it the first time or didn't understand, and you can have one teacher that teaches new information or an alternative assignment. So one of the teachers that could be reteaching could be the reading specialist, and the regular teacher could be teaching the new skill. So this helps because, it gives students that had trouble the first time, they get another opportunity to learn the skill that they need. And the other students that already mastered that skill can work on something new or something different. So, like for example, if the students work on a story and they had trouble comprehending it, the reading specialist could work with them to review the story and go over comprehension questions. She can maybe make comprehension scavenger hunt, where students have to find the question and answer and match them up, and that could help with their comprehension. So they're addressing that skill, and the reading specialist could be reteaching that skill that the students had trouble with. And then the regular ed teacher, maybe she could be working on the grammar skill for the week, or any other reading skill that the students might be something new, or could be something that maybe she already touched on earlier in the week. So she's teaching something different than what the reading specialist is teaching. So again, the teachers are differentiating instruction based on the student's needs. So those are just two ways and two examples of how the reading specialist can collaborate with the other teachers to benefit English language learner students.